I think I'm deeply pained by what has happened. I have been saying time and again, when you have drunken driving, when drunkards on the road at the wheel, it is like a bomb waiting to burst. And what did happen on the fateful day? Three people lost their lives, husband and wife and another person. What does it mean? Suddenly, that family has lost the bread earner, has lost valuable family members. Is it the case that once you're drunk, you should take the lives of somebody? This is nothing but plain murder on the road, and as such, it should invite that punishment. And when such a thing happens, okay, nobody does it purposely, but are you so irresponsible that you drink so much and you don't know that you can be a killer? Person who was at the wheel at that time deserves punishment, and I think in the course of the investigation everything will come. Who was at the wheel, who was responsible, and who needs to be punished. I for one is for stringent of action without showing any mercy, because it should serve as a deterrent to others. Otherwise this will keep on happening. How much are we going to tolerate? One thing is the rising accidents because of speeding, over speeding, no caring for somebody else on the road, no caring for the pedestrians, no caring for the other people who would be unwilling victims as a consequence of your fast and negligent driving. We have to bring this to book. And what happens in some other countries I have seen, there's something like blood money they pay. Suppose XYZ and his wife were both government servants. How many years of service was remaining? How much they would have earned? How much their family would have gained? It should be made the responsibility of those people who are responsible for this accident and killing them, made to pay them, so that their family does not suffer. You cannot compensate in terms of getting the life back, but at least financially it should be covered. Otherwise you go to some court, you manipulate the police, you manipulate the agencies, and you come out of it. That means no punishment. It has to be one of the strictest of punishment. हांव तरी समजता की ही मर्डर सारकी कडक सजा ते मनशांनी कोणी आदारला तांकां जावपा जाय, कोणूय आसूं दी. I don't even know who it is. For me it does not matter. For me the life matters. Poor life of a poor person is as important as a rich person or a great person. लायफ म्हळ्यार ती लायफ, म्हणून म्हाका स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन जाय. हांव तरी कसोय बँड जावपाक तयार ना, कित्याक हांवें पयलीं खुबदां वॉर्निंग दिल्लें दॅट ड्रंकन ड्रायव्हिंग शूड बी डन अवे वीथ. इनफॅक्ट म्हाजी फकाणां केली. हांवें कितें सांगिल्लें, हांवें बारवाल्यांक एक गाडी तुमी घे आनी कोण पितोगच ते गाडयेन घाल म्हणून हांवें कितें म्हणलें, गोवा मायल सारकी टॅक्सी एप बेस्ड येयल्यार तांकां ताकद आसपा जाय. कोण पिला जाल्यार ती टॅक्सी आपोवन ताका टॅक्सी बसून वेवस्थीत घरा पावोवपाक. Not to go in his car where he is like a bomb. He'll go and bang somewhere, as this has happened. Ultimately it has happened. No, this is a great eye opener. म्हाका ते भाशेन हे प्रॉब्लेम फुडाराक जाल्ले नाका, हेंच म्हाका सांगपा जाय. म्हाजी कटकटीत विनंती गोंयकारांक, प्लीज ड्रायव रेस्पॉन्सिबली ऑन द रोड. डोंट बी अ बॉम्ब which waiting to burst, especially after rash and negligent driving or drunken driving. And also refrain your young children who are otherwise not eligible to drive unless they attain the age to get a license. Please don't encourage them to drive. We are not prepared to accept more deaths on the road. I have called a meeting of the Safety Council to plan more measures, and I will take the Honorable Chief Minister in confidence and do what is necessary to prevent such fatalities on Goan roads.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.